How to remove and replace RAM in a Dell Latitude D530 laptop. Step 1. Flip over the laptop and remove the screw from the memory cover located here. Oh, remove the screws. Right. Pitch the clip apart until the memory pops to one side. Remove the memory. See? Remove it. Slot in a new memory and push down firmly until it clicks. Listen for the click. That means it's in. Replace right, replace the memory replace the memory cover back and replace the screw. And there you go. Thanks for enjoying it, and I'm sorry for my friend's part.